Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Here we're going to teach you how to make a paper rocket. Let's get to some mistakes that we commonly make. If you're making a paper rocket like this, right, and you are trying to hold the paper rocket below like this with a pointed paper rocket, you're doing it wrong. Please don't do that. You're not supposed to hold this paper rocket like from the below, right? The next thing is that many people try to sharpen the rocket like this. In this kind of a paper rocket, you're not supposed to do it. So basically what we'll do is that just stay with us till the end of this video. What we'll do is we'll teach you how to make a paper rocket like this, right? Also how to hold the paper rocket and also how to sharpen the paper rocket. Let's get started. First take an A4 size graph paper, right? Now fold it in the middle like this, right? Now after you fold it, you will have two halves over here, right? Fold it along the center like this, right? Similarly, get the other side also and fold it along the half like this. Now after you folded this, you have two other sides. Fold them also along the center like this. Keep the finger over here so that you're able to fold it nicely, right? After you fold it, fold the other side also similarly like this, right? Now after you folded this, you have something like this, right? Fold it along the middle like this so that you should have a pointed edge over here. After you have done this, take half of the paper like this and only make sure that you fold it till this meets the end. See, this side of the paper should touch over here. Similarly, make sure that this end also is folded, right? Now since we have made the rocket, now we'll teach you how to sharpen this rocket. This is not like a normal rocket where you sharpen it like this. Here you're supposed to sharpen it like this, right? So it has to stay sharp like this. Second thing, you don't hold the rocket like this. Instead you're supposed to hold the rocket between the two fingers like this, right? And when you throw the rocket, you will use your fingers as a catapult and try to throw it like this, right? So this is pretty much to the end of the video. If you did like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to us. Thanks for watching.